So yesterday was World Emoji Day. So let's actually see how we can build our own equations in Mathigon's Polypad using emojis. So here I have a hamburger, right? Let's actually take that, we'll shrink it down, put on the scale here, and let's bring in a hot dog really quick. All right, shall we? There we go. We'll put that right on the scale right here. So as a teacher, I need to figure out, well, what do I want a hamburger to be worth and what do I want a hot dog to be worth? Let's make it the cost of each, right? So I'm going to go here and go to the numbers. And let's make a hamburger 6. All right, and let's make a hot. Now I know it's not balanced with 6, but we'll balance it in just a second. Let's make the hot dog worth 4. You see what I mean? So now if I touch the middle of the scale right here and hit balance at the very bottom, that will let Mathigon know that anytime I see this image, it's worth 6. And right here, touch the scale, hit balance, the hot dog is now worth 4. So now I can create my own equation or system of equations here, if that makes sense. So for example, if I were to clone the hamburger, boop, put it right over here, and I'm going to clone the hot dog, boop, right there. So the hamburger and the hot dog together should be worth 10, right? So I'll go ahead here and just find the 10 card right here, put it, it'll automatically balance, right? And so now I can actually go get another scale, bring it in. Let's do that. It's under algebra. The balance scale is right there, and I'm going to squish it to make it fit this recording window, right? So now I can maybe make a simpler one. Let me clone this one. Let's say 2 hot dogs here. I'll clone it one more time. We'll say 2 hot dogs is 8. Make it easy, right? Make this an easy system. 2 hot dogs is now 8. So let's get the 8 here in the numbers. And we'll bring it out, and there we go, right? So now all I got to do now is kind of rearrange this. And so now I want to actually kind of hide this fact from my students, right? So I can actually go ahead and take this and let's say delete it, if you will, right? And so now I have a system of equations here that I can actually now give my students to solve. That a hamburger and hot dog together worth $10, but yet 2 hot dogs is now worth $8. So now they have to play around with these and go ahead and try to figure out and solve it.